As a new blogger, stay away from broad niches. Always target ad sensitive niches. There has to be some affiliate product related to your niche, and do not write articles which follows your money, your life category. So if your niche does not satisfy these points, then stay away from these niches. Hello everyone, welcome to Blogging. As a beginner, sometimes it becomes very tough for new bloggers to rank good in search engines. And the reason is not because of their writing style or they're doing any kind of mistakes in their blogging journey, but the fact that they have selected a niche which does not work out. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you what are the niches that you should stay away. The first thing you should remember is that when you select a blogging niche, select a blogging niche where the competition is low. And when I say competition is low, I mean do not target a keyword which other big companies or established blogger is already competing with you. For example, if you select a term called credit card or online jobs, do you really think you as a new blogger can rank better? Maybe if you write better articles you might, but it will take time. So if you want better results, then you have to select a niche where the competition is low. Suppose passive income. Once upon a time, passive income was a low niche, low competition keyword, but now the competition has increased, and hence you should target long tail keyword. Example, why don't you target online jobs for a 16-year-old in a particular location? So it is a long tail keyword. Here you're not targeting online jobs as a keyword, but you're targeting online jobs for 16-year-old in suppose London. So now you have niched down your topic, but though the number of traffic might be less, but you will have better chance of ranking in Google. Similarly, as a beginner, do not target broad niches. Suppose finance. Finance is a very broad niche. You should stay away from that and target a lower niches, a sub niche. Number 2 point is that you should always target a niche which is ad friendly. If you want to run ads on your particular website, in that case you should stay away from violence, politically biased, sexual and other kind of niches. Now Google has given, if you want to run Google ads, then Google has given you the prohibited contents which they do not allow, on which if you write articles on those contents, then they will not show ads on your website. So I will provide the link in the description. You can go and check what are the particular niches, what are the particular type of content which Google ads stay away from. So whenever you're targeting any kind of niche, always see whether that is ad friendly or not, because you want company to pay ads on your blog. So this is very important. Stay away from violence, politically motivated and other kind of niches. Number 3 point is that whenever you're targeting any kind of niche, always try to select a niche which has some kind of affiliate products, so that you do not have to depend solely on Google and its ad revenue. Because whenever you're depending upon the ad revenues from companies like Google or other ad networks, it depends upon them how much money they want to pay you. But on affiliate marketing, since you are promoting a product, the entire affiliated amount goes to you. So there are bloggers who earn far more money in affiliate programs than AdSense. And the last point is that you should stay away from niche which falls under your money, your life category. So anything that's related with fitness, health, where you're giving advices, you should be very conscious about this, because in terms of health, Google will not show a new blogger's content, rather it will show a content where people has some kind of expertise, some kind of authoritativeness. Suppose a doctor is writing an article on how to cure some kind of pain in the body, and you are also writing who does not have any kind of doctorate degree, you are just a simple blogger. So do you think Google will show your blog or a person who has a doctorate degree? Obviously the person who has an expertise. And that is the reason you should not target your life, your money category. And even if you want to target, you need to have some kind of expertise. How will Google understand that you have expertise? It is going to check your social media profiles which you're going to target. So these are things you should pay attention to. You should also stay away from certain niches where Google is going to give the direct information to the user. Suppose you type best places to visit. Suppose let me type best places to visit in London. Now see the first link, it is a paid ad because people are going to pay Google so that their article is shown. But I want organic target, you want organic traffic. So as you can see, this kind of keywords, Google is directly going to give the answer to the user who is searching. Suppose the distance between Manchester and London. There's no point of you writing an article on that because Google is directly going to provide the answer. The similar case with news articles, sports and fashions, because suppose you have a news blogging website. Now if you type what is the latest news, someone is searching latest news, they are going to directly get the answer from Google. So such kind of niches where there is a possibility that in the future Google is going to directly show the answer or to in the SERP, stay away from those. So these are the few things that you should keep in mind while selecting your niche. Stay away from broad niche, make it a sub niche, make your niche ad friendly so that the niche ad friendly, stay from violence, politically biased and this kind of contents. There should be some kind of affiliated content elements to sell in your niche, and also stay away from niches which are related to your money, your life category. And if you want to write on them, you need to have some kind of expertise. Thank you.